Welcome to another episode of Keto Chronicles, where I'm chronicling my keto journey. Here's my thoughts. A lot of people starting out, they can't get away from bread or tortillas, so they do the keto breads and the low carb tortillas. Let me just tell you flat out, keto breads are not keto friendly because they have wheat. We're supposed to stay away from wheat. The whole point of being on keto is to stay in ketosis. Most of us know this, right? But a lot of people are adamant that they lose weight with keto bread. And yes, that's true. You're on a calorie deficit, so you're going to lose weight no matter what, right? But can you lose weight quicker if you stay away from keto breads and low carb tortillas? So here's my experiment. I'm going to make it like I'm starting out. So I'm going to the movies today anyway. So, I mean, it's a good excuse, right? I'm going to have my great stuff that I have there and just eat normally today. And by the way, technically I ate normal yesterday, not keto stuff, because I'm just maintaining. But anyway, point is, I think starting tomorrow, I'm just probably even going to give it 5 days, maybe 6, of doing the normal, not strict keto, but like somewhat dirty keto, of just having my actual keto substitutes that I've been having for sandwiches, just the cauliflower thins or whatever you want to call it. And just eat normal, normal when it comes to like being keto, regular, what's supposed to be keto, right? So I'm going to do that for 5 or 6 days. Then I'm going to revert back to a day or two of regular eating. And then I'm going to do it the way people would normally start doing it with these keto breads and things. And let me just see, am I going to lose weight quicker when I stay away from the keto breads and low carb tortillas versus when I'm acting like I'm starting out and eating the keto breads and low carb tortillas? Do we get it? Hopefully. So today I'm going to eat normal. Yesterday I ate normal, non-keto stuff. Act like I'm starting out. Do almost a full week of eating stuff you should be eating. And then the following week, once I go through another day or two of just regular, normal, non-keto eating, I'm going to have the keto breads and the low carb tortillas like everyone else does. I'm in a ton of Facebook groups, and there's a huge controversy about it because, a lot of people say, hey, I eat keto breads and I'm fine. Well, yeah, you're fine. You're going to be losing weight, but are you in ketosis the whole time? The whole point of keto is to be in ketosis, where it burns fat. If you get off of the ketosis train, you're not going to burn as much fat, right? So that's my whole thing. I think that's what I'm going to do. So I think I'm going to chronicle that, whether it's going to be a daily thing or do it all in one video. I don't know. Or 2 videos, I don't know. Y'all, thanks for liking, subscribing, and hitting that bell. You need to hit that bell anyway if you want to watch the rest of this particular series. I'll see you guys next time.